Alright, so we're at the top of Poohs Woods right now. We are at Trexler Nature Preserve in Pennsylvania. This is just like a little skills part of it. There's a little flow section at the end with the jump. We're going to hit this with the Insta 360 X3 on the handlebar mount. So let's do it. We got a skinny coming up here. There we go. Little berm. Walk over here. More. Into one more little skinny. That's the first section. Then we get into a little more flow with the jump at the end. So here we go. It is weird jumping with the camera on the front, but got some air there. Pretty good run. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.